The leaf spring, the simple, tough backbone of trucks. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we break down everything you need to know in the simplest, clearest, and most exciting way possible. Now, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered how massive pickup trucks carry thousands of pounds of cargo? Or how large commercial vehicles handle huge loads without their suspension collapsing? Well, today we're diving into the incredibly tough, deceptively simple, and often unsung hero called the leaf spring. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how it works, why it's still used today, and how it handles the heaviest work. Trust me, you'll never look at a stack of metal strips the same way again. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. Unlike the coil spring we recently discussed, a leaf spring isn't a spiral. It's a fundamental type of spring that looks like a long, flat, arc-shaped strip of steel, or often a stack of several strips layered on top of each other. Its core job is incredibly important, especially for work vehicles. Support heavy loads. Its primary function is to bear the entire weight of the vehicle and its cargo. Leaf springs are exceptional at handling very heavy loads. Absorb impact. When a wheel hits a bump, the leaf spring flexes and flattens out. This action absorbs the impact energy, preventing it from shaking the rest of the vehicle. It's a simple, robust design that has been around for centuries, and for good reason. The leaf spring works on the principle of bending and distributing stress across its length. The master leaf. The longest leaf, called the master leaf, is usually bolted directly to the vehicle's frame at both ends. It's the primary load bearer. Layered leaves. In most heavy-duty applications, you'll find multiple shorter leaves stacked underneath the master leaf. These are held together by a center bolt and metal clips. Flexing action. When the wheel hits a bump or the vehicle carries a heavy load, the entire stack of leaves flattens out and flexes downward. This bending action allows each leaf to absorb and distribute the impact energy. Friction damping. The friction between the individual leaves as they slide against each other also provides a very basic, inherent form of damping, although they still require a separate shock absorber for effective bounce control. It's an elegant solution for robustness and load-carrying capacity. If you're liking this video so far, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that like button. Leaf springs come in a few common configurations, each suited for specific tasks. Multi-leaf springs. This is the most common type, consisting of several individual leaves stacked together. They are incredibly strong and durable, making them ideal for heavy-duty pickup trucks, commercial vehicles, and utility trailers that carry significant loads. Monoleaf springs. This type uses a single, thick leaf that is tapered from the center outwards. They offer a lighter design and a more comfortable ride, sometimes found in older passenger cars or lightweight applications. Parabolic leaf springs. These use fewer leaves that are tapered into a parabolic curve. They provide a smoother ride and better articulation, or flexibility, than traditional multi-leaf springs, making them popular in modern trucks and off-road vehicles. Leaf springs are almost exclusively found in the rear suspension of vehicles, where load-carrying capacity and durability are top priorities. Think work trucks, vans, and many off-road rigs. Because they are so simple, maintaining leaf springs often comes down to two things: the U-bolts and the bushings. U-bolts. These are the big bolts that clamp the leaf pack to the axle. They must be torqued correctly. If they loosen, the axle can shift, leading to dangerous steering and handling. Bushings. The metal and rubber sleeves that connect the ends of the leaf spring to the frame are called bushings. Over time, these wear out, causing metal-on-metal contact. The clear warning signs of a failed leaf spring component are squeaking and groaning. If you hear loud squeaking every time you hit a bump or turn, it usually means the bushings are dried out or totally worn, or the leaves need lubrication. Sagging or leaning. If one side of your truck or SUV is visibly sagging or lower than the other, it means one of the main leaves has likely cracked or lost its arch. This needs immediate attention. The leaf spring is proof that sometimes the simplest engineering is the best. It's tough, reliable, and perfectly suited for carrying heavy loads without compromise, which is why it continues to be the workhorse suspension of choice for millions of vehicles worldwide. If this breakdown helped you appreciate the robust power of the leaf spring, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. What other tough mechanical components should we explore next? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.